Hello everyone, welcome to all in this video. Today we are going to study the BSc 3 Electronics Group C practical use of MPLAB simulator addressing mode. The aim of this practical is to study of MPLAB simulator and write the program of addressing mode of PIC18F458 microcontroller. Here we will use MPLAB software for programming. Basically, the procedure of MPLAB is divided into three steps. First one, making project. Second, addition of source file and program writing. Third one, build a program and check the result. In addressing mode, here we will discuss three addressing modes. First one, immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, the result is stored into working register. This is MPLAB window and result is there. Our second program is direct addressing mode. We know that in a direct addressing mode, we can access RAM location. The result of this program is stored into location 40, 41, 42 and 43 and 44. This is the MPLAB window. The next program is a register indirect addressing mode. In a register indirect addressing mode, the result is stored into RAM locations 0x50, 51, 52 and so on. The result of this practical is shown on the screen. Now I will explain you the procedure of MPLAB. Initially double click on MPLAB icon and open it. For making of project, click on project, then click on project wizard. Now here is open new window. Welcome. Click on next. Here these are the PIC ICs, but we have select PIC18F458 and then click on next. In this window, select Microchip MP-ASM toolsuit and here select MP-ASM assembler, then click on next, then browse, give the file name, you can change this name, then click on save, then click on next. Here we are going to plus sign of our C drive, then click on plus sign of program file, then again click on plus sign of microchip, then click on plus sign of MP-ASM suit, then click on plus sign of object. Here select our IC PIC18F458. This is our IC. Then click on add, click on plus sign of LKR and select the 18F458IC. Then click on add. Now there are two files. Then click on next and click on finish. Our project is created, entitled as addressing mode. Our second procedure is addition of source file and program writing. Here 18F458tmp0.asm, this is our source file. Sometime this file is absent here. That time right click on source file and add 18F458tmp0.asm file. Now double click on this file. Here this is the PIC18F458 source file. These are the configuration registers and their settings. Before end we have to write the program. Here I have written our first program, immediate addressing mode. After writing a program, our third stage is build a program and check the result. Then click on debugger, then click on select tool and then click on MPLAB sim. Then click on make. Here build a successed. Again click on build all. Here build a successed. Then for result go to view and select the memory. We need special function registers, again file registers also. Now we are going to stepwise. Initially I will explain you this immediate addressing mode program. Move LW0x06 means load literal value 06 into working register. Then move WF0x05 means the data of working register is transferred to RAM location 0x05. Then again load literal value 0x02 into working register. The next instruction is ADDWF5, 0. The both values from working register and RAM location 0x05 are added and data is stored into working register. Now we are going to stepwise. After first step, the 06 is literally load into working register. You can see here. Then after next step, this 06 is saved into RAM location 0x05. Here this is our data. After next step, load 0x02 into working register. You can see here also. and then add both values and result store into working register. Our next program is direct addressing mode. Write the program of direct addressing mode, then click on make build successor, then click on build all. It is again build successor. Then go to our program. Here we are going to stepwise again. Our first instruction is LW0x55, means load literal value 55H. Second instruction is move WF0x40, means the value of working register is transferred to file 0x40, then same value is transferred to next location 0x41, then transfer to next location 0x42, then 43 and 44. We are going to stepwise now. After first instruction, we have load the working register is equal to 0x55. Then execution of second instruction, this 55H data is load into memory location 0x40. This is our data 55 and load into memory location 0x40H. Okay. Then after next step, again load 55 to 41H location. This is the 40 and here this is the 41. Then again load 55 to 42 location, then load to 55 into 44 location. Our result of this program, RAM location 0x40 is equal to 55H, then RAM location 0x41 is equal to 55H, then 55H, then again 55H, here also 55H. This is our window. Our third addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. I have written the program of a register indirect addressing mode. Then click on make, then click on build all. We are going to stepwise. After first instruction, load the WREG equal to 0x86. LFSR means load file selector register. Here load the pointer to 0x50 location, means in this location. Then move WF INDF 0. INDF is the indication of indirect addressing mode. Here copy the data of W to RAM location FSR 0 pointer. After next instruction, 0x50 is equal to 86. The pointer is incremented using instruction INCF FSR0LF. Then after next instruction, the data 86 is loaded into 51H location or 0x51 location. Then again pointer is incremented, and then 86 is loaded into 0x52 location. Then 86 load into 0x53 location indirectly. Thank you for watching my video.